So thanks for having me today. How are you doing today?
Good, good. Thank you. Welcome to my humble abode.
Okay, you got a really nice view at the back.
I live on the 41st floor in Burnaby, and it's a nice view that I like to enjoy whenever I have time. So I guess we're filming a day in the life today, eh? Well, the first thing I do is, because I haven't had my coffee, I usually start by getting a coffee. Would you like a coffee as well?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank
Sure.
you.
Okay, no problem. All right. So, just gonna go grab capsules. Do you take with cream, sugar?
No.
I guess one of the things that I do when I wait for my coffee to brew is I just check my Discord and Slack and stuff like that, and then after that I just check my Jira to see other tasks that need to be done. So because yesterday we had a Scrum meeting, I know that today I have to work on the front end to build the UI to enhance the user experience for the user. Here's the coffee for you.
Cool. What are you gonna work on today?
So today I'm going to work on improving the UX for the front end. Because right now our courses webpage has components that need a lot of scrolling to do. So we're going to implement collapsing and expanding for each of those components.
What website is it?
It's our own visioncoding.ca website.
Oh, really? Can you just run us through the website?
Yeah, for sure. So you go to visioncoding.ca. So this is our website.
And that's what you created?
Yeah, I created everything from scratch, and I replaced an existing Wix website. Mm-hmm. And this is right now using React as a front end, and I'm using Node.Express for the back end. So this is the website. We have a summer camp section.
Do you have any background prior to building such a cool website?
Yeah, I graduated several programs at BCIT, including applied software development, applied web development, and applied computer information systems. And right now I'm almost done the computer systems certificate. So I learned everything from fundamentals of programming with Python, object-oriented programming with Java, procedural programming with C, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, obviously, because I'm using it, and React front end and Node.Express back end. Explored databases on my own. So I was taught SQLite at BCIT, but I preferred using PostgreSQL, and I also tried out MongoDB, but I stick to PostgreSQL. I think most developers would agree that that's one of the better databases out there. So if you see here, there's too much scrolling right now. So I did a bit of exploration yesterday into a UI library that it's called Material UI. It's one of the most popular UI libraries out there. I decided to use that one because so far I've just been sticking with Tailwind CSS, but I decided to give it a go and see if it was cool or not, and it was actually pretty cool. So let's have a look here. So this is basically what we're going to be turning it into, and we just need to implement this in our existing website.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
I'll let you code.
Thanks.
$2,000 later.
Hey, Paul, so how's everything going?
I've got some work done, so I think I'm gonna do some exercise right now. Yeah, let me get changed and I'll show you what I do. Okay. So typically when I work out, I like to watch the Primogen. So he used to be a senior software developer at Netflix, and he recently quit to work on his own endeavors. But he's a really smart guy, and he's also really humorous. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. That's the Primogen. And I can show you a little bit of his videos.
What do you do? I'm a security researcher, so people like Prime who are much smarter than me. He writes code. My job is actually to look at code and find bugs.
And he's also well known in the developer industry, and he really likes the React framework, and he talks a lot about front-end development. So his videos are also really informative. So I watch these two YouTubers every day. All right, so let's cast this into my
So do you always work out like that?
Yeah, this is for the legs. I usually do a full body workout every day. I try to focus on legs and then some push movements and some pull movements.
You're doing a stir length check. No, you're using stir copy instead of stir end copy in a place that's going to cause a buffer overflow. And write up questions. And then the person started responding to things.
Is this the only workout that you do?
No, I recently got back into breakdancing a little bit because I watched the Olympics and I saw how fun it was to watch. So I'm trying to get back my skills from back in like high school.
Can you show us your moves?
No, no, I'm not gonna do that today.
So what are you gonna do now, Paul?
I think I'm gonna take a quick shower.
Yeah?
And I guess we can move on with the day after.
Yeah. Can I join you?
No. Okay. Okay. Bye. No. Bye.
So now you're done with the shower. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go back to coding. I still have some work to do. So yeah, I'm gonna continue coding a little bit, and I guess when I get hungry, I'll probably grab something to eat.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
And I noticed that you don't have fancy monitors, speakers, anything, LED kind of stuff.
The only LEDs I have right now are this mouse and this mouse pad, but it's kind of dying here right now, and just the built-in RGB here. But this is basically my kind of like PC equivalent. I just use this at home because it's so big and it's a gaming computer. And since I also do gaming, I just kind of use this one at home. And then the smaller one that you see back here, this one is the one that I just carry when I want to work at a coffee shop outside, or if I need to go into the office to teach a student or anything like that. Yeah.
A lot of tech people, they buy a lot of fancy stuff, AR glasses, VR, along those lines. And you have absolutely nothing on your desk.
Yeah, you're right. I do have a test gaming phone here for mobile, and but except for that, yeah, no, not really. I don't really. I think I will get interested in things like that maybe down the road. I'm also thinking of getting a MacBook, or MacBook Pro. So I'll slowly get there. But for now, I think I got everything that I want right now so far.
Minimalist.
You could say that.
$2,000 later.
It's lunchtime, so I was developing and then I got hungry. So we're at the food court getting some really delicious meals today. All right, come on in. So basically from now on, I'm just gonna continue programming and continue building the rest of the UI, the front end that I was working on throughout the day, and I think I'll also kind of touch on the back end for like email confirmation feature and the flow for that, and that's basically my day. I'm gonna just keep coding until the sun sets and kind of relax and call it a day.